Good morning, everyone. We are in Acadia National Park and we are about to hike Beehive. We have been training for this. We're not messing around. And for reference, we have someone who's not afraid of heights and someone who has a definite slight fear of heights. So we will give a full honest review of everything I expect. It's 6:30. I lost the bet and there are about 8 cars in the parking lot. I thought there'd be 5. Bobby said 9.
Yeah, like
This probably fits like 50 cars, right? We're heading off. I'll take you with. Go hikers! It's all one big loop. Alright, we've hit our second junction. We went counterclockwise. We heard that way was a little bit easier. And so far, there have been some big rocks to walk on and over at the start, which was pretty strenuous, but it's been pretty level ever since. And now we just hit a bunch of stairs, so not too bad so far. We are following the Bowl Trail out and going to take Beehive back. That's what's helping us determine the signs. Also, downloading the trail on all trails really goes a long way. It took us about 30 minutes. Definitely was not bad at all. Like, the beginning was probably the worst with all the rocks and everything. So definitely if you have fragile ankles, watch out for that or wear your ankle brace or whatever. But we made it to the cute little lake. Back not too bad for a little hike. Wow, I can get so close to you on video.
Oh my god, leave me alone.
It's a video.
You had your shot. Get out of here.
We're almost to the exposed cliff part. Very exciting. It is currently 7:50 on a Tuesday morning, and that is how full the parking lot is. Still about halfway empty, full. There's Bobby. There's the cliff. Wow. What are your thoughts?
Inching ever towards the parking lot.
Yeah. So we finished to the right. Probably should have started that way. That's the way we went up. Alright, it is 8:30. This is the parking lot situation. Still lots of spots. Not too bad.
It is day after Labor Day, though. A lot of people traveled home.
That's true. Tuesday after Labor Day. Alright, we finished Precipice in 1 hour 43 minutes. 2.05 total. We started off this September morning hike. It was low 50s. I've shed 2 of my layers since then, since I tend to overheat. Also, it's definitely warmed up quite a bit. It was not bad. I don't know if I would do the rungs first. It is more fun, I know, to go up them, but after all the rungs, when you're going down, there's a lot of really steep steps down. If you have knee problems, all that weight going down them might be a problem. Also going up them might be a problem as well. But I didn't mind going down it as much. I think you'd be fine going either way as long as you're in decent shape. Definitely, I think the hardest part in the beginning was if you have any ankle issues, there's a lot of rocks that you could potentially slip. Like I was slipping, and I have like good hiking shoes on, so make sure you have good ankle support. And it was not bad. It definitely started to get a little bit more crowded as we're coming down. That's just because we started around 6:30, ended around 6:30, 6:45 start. Ended around 8:30. Thank you. So it definitely starting to get a little bit crowded. I would recommend doing an earlier hike, just because I can imagine this gets pretty crazy. Like Bobby said, it's a Tuesday after Labor Day, so we don't know how many people are out here, but I can, on a weekend, I'm sure this gets crazy. And we're kind of like after a holiday during the middle of the week, so probably best case scenario. So start early, try not to go on a weekend. But overall, it was good. It was fun. Lots of great views. Be sure to check out my Instagram, where I share way too much, and we'll post pictures from the hikes and whatnot. Oh, also, there's a shuttle that you can take from somewhere to get here. If like it's, the parking is full, where you maybe don't have a way to get here. I'm not sure. Island Explorer LLB, that's your sponsor. Look into that if you're interested. Otherwise, be sure to check out the Instagram, M's Novellas. Be sure to check out TikTok at M's Novellas as well. If you're looking for more from me, I have a website. I never talk about that, msnovellas.com. Be sure to like this video, guys. I just risked my life for you. JK, I was gonna do it either way. I also enjoy life-threatening experiences, so we both get something out of this. Comment below if you've hiked Beehive before, if you've hiked any Acadia hikes. We have Precipice coming up, so this was like our warm-up for it. I promised Bobby I wouldn't make him hike on his birthday because he thinks I'm trying to kill him, which I am not. But this is a nice little warm-up for it. We're gonna go kayaking tomorrow for his birthday, and then it's Precipice time. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss that video when it comes up. So excited. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. This was so fun. I love hiking. I wish there's probably more hikes around Chicago that I know about, but it's nice when you have like mountain ranges. Just easiest access to that. So yeah, 8:30, we have the whole day ahead of us. I'm gonna go to a bookstore. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So, it is toasty out here. I feel like I'm sweating profusely, which is nasty. But you know, rather be over-prepared with our layers than under-prepared, you know? The Midwest taught me anything. It's that.